Hello everyone. Since I have nothing to do today, I think I might just make a bike check since I haven't made one in forever. So yeah, I'll start off with the top. I have green ODIs. I got them free. I know they don't match. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Subrosa Villicus bars. Subrosa hold on stem. I don't know, just headset. Got Subrosa Villicus forks. I got a Rant front wheel. Haro multi-surface. I hate these tires. I got them free. I don't care. Subrosa Villicus frame. So you can see that, all the blood splatter. Shadow Conspiracy Revenger pedals, unsealed plastic. Rant 8 splines. This is really cool. This got my attention. It's a Diamondback sprocket, I believe. I have no idea. And it's got the grind guard on it. I have a custom chain, a bunch of different colors. I have a Rant back rim laced to a Haro hub with profile driver, another Haro multi-surface, and excuse me, it's a Shadow Solus one piece. See, and then I have my Lucky Rose that I keep on there.
Lost Girls! World Hunters!
Ow! It hurts! That's what I get for trying bar spins.
Everybody's got somebody
Alright.
But like I said before,
Bye.
they gonna get it from somewhere, so might as well be from me.